Ako ang talagang itinadhana kay Anthony.
These days,
Who would have thought that after 8 years, magtatago ulit tayo? Isang happy birthday idol na text. A simple once-a-year greeting started everything.
this place, like a painted vision, and now our intuition gives us hope of what's to come. We are running free.
Christine Maynes Delgado ay Kristen Delgado Lagatos ka na pala ngayon. Unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil ikaw ang makakasama ko pang habang buhay.
We are running free.
Hi love, alam ko magugustuhan mo yung gift ko. Act surprise, kunyari hindi mo alam. Wow! Stig! I love you, see you at the altar. Wow!
Catch the horizon, feel the hope inside us. This is where we're meant to be. We are running free. We are running free. We are running. Time and place is now. All this beauty we have found. Oh, it's got us rising to our feet. We are running free. We are running free. We are running free.
Sa araw na ito, magsisimula ang bagong yugto ng ating buhay. At sa yugto na ito, magkasama na tayo sa hirap at ginawa, lungkot at saya. At ipinapangako ko sa iyo na mamahalin kitang panghabang buhay. At hindi ko sisirain ang tiwala ang ibinigay mo sa akin. Christine Delgado Lagatos, I love you so much.
You were someone I never thought I could connect with dahil sa mga kalokohan mo nung college. Pero yung pagiging nakakatawa at saka matyaga mo made me fall. I saw how you loved your family and friends. You always light up a room with your jokes and antics. You are one of a kind.
The kitchen on a Sunday afternoon. Hand in hand.
Love, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagpupursige sa buhay para matupad ang ating mga pangarap. At higit sa lahat, ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako masaya.
Get lost in imagination.
Rita, open your briefcase. Sa akin ang isang.
Oh,
Gusto ko din payak pero hindi ko mabuksan.
Make whatever we believe. I've been waiting my whole life for you.
Sa ating tatahaking bilang mag-asawa, may pagdadaanan tayong away, tampuhan, at hindi pagkakaintindihan. Pero ipinapangako ko sa iyo na sabay nating haharapin ang mga pagsubok na parating sa ating buhay. At ikaw lang ang aking pipiliin. Sa ayaw mo at hindi, sayong-sayo lang ako.
I wanna go searching.
Love, magkalayo tayo most of the time dahil sa work, but you never made me feel alone. Thank you sa napakahabang pasensya at pag-unawa. Thank you for loving me even at times when it wasn't easy.
As long as you are by my side. I've been waiting my whole life for you. I would wait 1,000 more, it's true.
You are my answered prayer. And I always thank the Lord for blessing me with a man like you. I love you, love.